Hi, I'm Lisa from Looped and Knotted, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do one of the final steps of every crochet project, weaving in your ends. If you just fastened off your yarn, yay, you did it! Now it's time to secure and hide the yarn tail so your project looks polished and lasts for a long time. Let's do it together, one gentle stitch at a time. Weaving in your ends helps keep your project from unraveling and makes everything look neat and finished. It's like tucking in the last thread of a handmade gift. Small detail, big difference. You'll need a yarn tapestry needle. It's got a blunt tip and large eyes, scissors, and a project with a 6-inch tail of yarn to weave in. Thread the yarn tail through your needle. If the yarn frays, just give it a little twist, and it should help guide it through. Turn your project to the wrong side, the back of your work. Weave the needle under a few stitches, following the direction of your stitches. Try to hide the tail and side of the structured work of the stitches. Go one direction for about 1 inch, and then turn back and go the other way. This helps lock the tail in. Don't pull it too tight. And then you're going to just trim off the excess yarn. You're going to do it close, but be careful not to cut the stitches. That's it. You've officially finished your project, from the first stitch all the way to the final details. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet lessons. And don't forget, you can join my free beginner crochet course, where I guide you through every step of crochet journey, with gentle support, encouragement, and lots of yarn joy. You're doing amazing. Keep going, one loop at a time.